Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you today how to basically stream with your iPhone or record videos with just a mixer and a phone basically. So okay, so let's say everything is plugged. Okay. So you need a mixer, a USB mixer, because otherwise it's going to be impossible. So for example, this version of the Yamaha is USB, but a small one in the other video is not. So you need to really take a USB mixer. Then, so I have here, you see an extension. Yeah. Da 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 da. And I have this stuff that I will link the reference where you can buy it. So you need this. This is super important because it's going to basically connect, allow you to connect your mixer here with the phone. So then you need to do really step by step because if you don't do exactly in this order, it's not going to work. Okay, so it's very important. So it's not enough that you just connect your phone here. Okay, you need something, a video app like this. Okay, hello. Okay, so once you have opened this, so you leave it open, then you turn on the mixer. You wait a few seconds to be sure that it's all good, and then sorry, then you're gonna plug this. Okay, you wait a minute, you go in the audio settings, and you should see, the mixer, put 48. So you need to connect. So now it's connected. Now the phone is going to take the sound of your mixer. Okay? So then, careful, don't close this completely. You just like do this. And then you go in your then you go in your camera here, and you're ready to go. Video, and you're ready to go. Okay, so really don't close this, because you need this to be open, otherwise it's not working. Okay, and also you need to have to do the step in this order, which is turn on the mixer first, then look at your app, open the app, the video app on your phone, then plug, okay, then you select, and then you don't close, you just like leave. Okay, and then it's all good. You can do a video this way. So what I will do is I will link as well this video. It's been recorded this way so that you can hear the kind of sound that you will get with, I don't know where to look. But anyway, you get the idea, you can see me. So you will have the idea of the kind of sound that you can have this way. So I hope it was helpful. And leave your comments. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you soon. Bye.